What's up guys, hope you're doing good. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can go out there and create high converting Amazon listings right off the bat. Even if you have no knowledge of the niche you're entering or the product that you're sourcing, you can literally become an expert in whatever field you decide to get into right away. Alright guys, so as you can see on the screen here, I am on fastcompany.com. So this is an article that was published quite some time ago, but it's something when I first initially read it, just as I was getting into this whole Amazon game, it really opened up my eyes, and it's something that you may think is quite obvious when you think about it and you know about it, but you don't know what you don't know, right? So what this article is about is this guy that they call the Amazon Whisperer, and this guy, I forgot his name, he's like an Orthodox Jewish guy, so he has kind of a, oh here it is, Chaim, Chaim, that's his name. So anyway, this guy, the Amazon Whisperer, he basically created a 9-figure Amazon business. Yeah, that's right, $100 million Amazon business. How this guy ran his business, how this guy sourced his products, and how this guy constructed all of his product listings is, number one, he analyzed the reviews of the existing products that he was going to be competing with. So if he wanted to go source, I think this article highlights a Bluetooth speaker. If he wanted to go source a Bluetooth speaker, he would then he'd go analyze the top 5, 10, 20, whatever best-selling Bluetooth speakers on all of Amazon, right? He'd go straight to the 1-star reviews. He would write down and make notes of all the most common complaints that people had about these Bluetooth speakers, and he would also include the most well-liked features of all these Bluetooth speakers. So he'd have like 2 lists almost. It'd be like the best features and then the most complained about features. And pretty much how he would construct his listings was he would take all of the most common complaints that customers were having, and he would then weave those into his listings as positives. So for example, if the Bluetooth speaker, if a common complaint in the reviews of the particular speaker was, man, I wish the speaker was waterproof, he would then make sure that whatever Bluetooth speaker he sourced was waterproof, and he would mention it, over and over again within his title, his bullet points, and his description to make sure that people know that it is indeed waterproof. So that is a kind of a simplified way that you can go out there and literally, if you just dissect the top selling products of whatever product niche that you're trying to get into, you dissect the reviews, you dissect the features, the benefits, the top complaints, the questions in the Q&A section, right? If you dissect all of these different things within the best-selling listings, you will be an expert in that niche, or in regards to that particular product. It doesn't matter if you have any experience in gardening, for example. If you go and dissect the top gardening hoses and you do exactly what I just told you, you're going to be an expert in garden hoses. That's just the way it is, and that's why it's so amazing. So let me kind of show you a real-life example here on Amazon itself. Okay, so this waterproof silicone bib, this is a baby bib. So what I did was I just click right here, you hover over the reviews here, and you can go straight to the 1 stars or the 5 stars. So as you can see, this product actually has over 2,500 reviews and an 87% 4.8. I mean, that's actually really good. But as with any product, guys, once you get this amount of reviews, you will have 1 and 2 stars. That's just the way it is. You can't avoid it. No matter what, a small percentage of your customers are just going to be freaking crazy. This is the way it is. A certain percentage of people are just crazy. So let's click on the 1 stars. Buttonhole tore after 6 months of use. Unfortunately, these bibs left a mark on my son's neck. Skin burn. Doesn't work, colored, poorly made, very small. So look, on the surface, if you were to go out there tomorrow and source a brand new baby bib, big enough for any size toddler, right? For any size toddler, very small is a complaint. Guaranteed never to burn your baby's skin or cause any sort of like reaction, to your baby's skin. Unlike other bibs that use this sort of button technology, this like buttonhole mechanism to close it up, we use blah blah blah, like so and so technology, so it's guaranteed to never come undone and work every single time. So I know it maybe, I hope you can kind of get the gist of where I'm coming from with that. Exactly how you can go out there and not only create really good high converting Amazon listings doing this way. For example, I use the negative reviews as one of the leading ways that I actually go out there and source my products. So I use the negative reviews actually to source products because I know exactly what features to include in my products, which ones to leave out, which ones people want, and which ones people don't want. And then I can literally go out there and create a 100% unique product compared to any other product that is currently on the Amazon platform, and you can always have kind of that first mover advantage. That's a huge tip, guys, and something that it's incredible high value, and it works. Whenever you're stuck creating your Amazon product listings, you're not sure what to do, go to the best-selling ones, and then make it better, right? All we're doing is we're going to the best-selling products, and we're making ours better in real life and perceived in the customer's eyes. So guys, hope that video was super valuable, because this is one of the best tips I could ever give you, whether you're a new Amazon seller, whether you're an experienced Amazon seller. This tip right here will change your business for the better. I can guarantee you that. All right, guys, so if you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading every single day. So with that being said, have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.